What's the most important aspect that you need to consider when you want to hire a diabetic lifestyle speaker and presenter? Is it their wealth of medical knowledge and understanding of diabetes? Or is it how they connect with your audience, with your members? Do they touch their hearts and minds in a way that you're hoping for? Or is it that they provide practical, realistic, sustainable applications, including strategies and systems, in order to better manage diabetes? Well, I think it's all three of those, of course. Hi, my name is Annette Mulligan, and I am a diabetic lifestyle presenter, speaker, and coach. And if you are an event planner at a corporate wellness organization, a medical facility, or even a community group, and you're looking for a speaker, I want to let you know that I am going to help make your life easier. How? Well, number one, by providing those three aspects of education, inspiration, and application to your audience in what I talk about. But how? How do you know whether I'm actually going to bring that? Well, what makes me different than many other speakers as far as especially diabetes and how to live with it successfully is that I am a type 1 diabetes from the age of 2, being told my entire growing up life that I would probably never see adulthood. And yet here I am. And the story of how I was able to go from you're probably not going to live to see adulthood to where I am today is the message that I bring to your organization, to your group, to your audience. Inspiring them, motivating them, giving them information, tools, and strategies to be able to live with diabetes successfully. That is my goal for you and for your audience. If you'd like to chat with me and find out if I'm the right fit for you, I would love to hear from you. Please contact me. We'll set up a conversation and we'll go from there. Because I do believe that living with diabetes doesn't need to be the end of the story, but the beginning of a new way of thinking.